In this lecture, we'll consider one example on signal operations. For x of t and y of t given below, sketch x of t dot y of minus 1 minus t, and another waveform is x of 4 minus t y of t. This is x of t signal which is given, and this is y of t signal. So first we'll draw x of t dot y of minus 1 minus t. So first we'll sketch y of minus 1 minus t, that is y of minus 1 minus t, which can be represented as y of minus t minus 1. Here we can observe it involves two operations. One is shifting operation, that is y of t minus 1. Then reflection operation, that is y of minus t minus 1. First we'll draw the intermediate signal shifting operation, that is v of t is equal to y of t minus 1. I'll draw here. So y of t minus 1 is same as y of t shifted by 1 unit towards right. So I'll draw v of t now. I will shift this signal towards right by 1 position, so that the signal which exists between minus 2 to minus 1 will appear between minus 1 to 0. Then the signal which appear between minus 1 to 0 will appear between 0 to 1. And here followed by the ramp signal. So here we have ramp signal. Then there is a pulse between 1 to 2 that can be represented between 2 and 3. So this is y of t minus 1. Now we'll try to draw y of minus t minus 1. That is reflection of v of t is nothing but y of minus t minus 1. I'll draw here. So this is y of minus t minus 1, that is reflection of v of t. So y of minus t minus 1 is nothing but reflection of v of t. Reflection means each t is replaced by minus t. So the signal which appears between minus 1 to 0 will appear between 0 to 1, and this signal will appear on left hand side. I'll draw here. So this part will exist here. So 0 to 1 will be here, and there is a ramp signal from 1 in between 1 and 2, that is ramp signal will appear here, and here we have the pulse signal. So this amplitude is 1. Perform the first operation, that is x of t y of minus 1 minus t. That is, now we are supposed to multiply this x of t signal with y of minus t minus 1. So this is given x of t signal. This is obtained y of minus t minus 1 signal. Now we are supposed to multiply x of t with y of minus t minus 1. From minus 3 to minus 2, there is a signal, but here say minus 3 to minus 2, there is no signal. So it is 0. When minus 3 to minus 2, the value is 0 here. Now from minus 2 to minus 1, there is no signal, it is 0. From minus 2 to minus 1, there is a negative ramp signal. So when negative ramp signal is multiplied with 0, the result will be 0. Therefore minus 2 to minus 1, the resulting signal is 0 itself. Now here we can observe from minus 1 to 0, in between minus 1 to 0, there is a negative ramp signal, and here we can observe from minus 1 to 0, there is a step signal. There is a negative step signal. When the ramp signal, any signal multiplied with step signal, we will get the same signal. Therefore, here the negative ramp signal when multiplied with negative step signal, we will get a positive ramp signal. Therefore, positive ramp signal will exist between -1 to 0, which can be represented like this. So now in between 0 to 1, there is a ramp signal here. From 0 to 1, there is a ramp signal in x of t. From 0 to 1, there is a step signal in y of minus t minus 1. When this signal is multiplied with the step signal, we will get a ramp signal which can be represented like this. Now from 1 to 3, 1 to 2, there is a step signal here. Here 1 to 2, the value is 0. When this signal is multiplied with 1 to 2, here it is 0, the resulting signal will be 0. Similarly, in between 2 to 3, there is a ramp signal. Here in between 2 to 3, there is 0. So between 2 to 3, it is 0, and between 1 to 2, it is 0. Therefore, this signal will go back to 0. So this is the resulting signal, that is x of t multiplied with y of minus t minus 1. And here the amplitude is same, that is 1. Second operation, that is x of 4 minus t y of t. So first we'll try to sketch for x of 4 minus t. Here x of 4 minus t can be represented as x of 4 minus t is equal to x of minus t plus 4. So here we can observe that x of minus t plus 4 can be obtained by shifting operation and reflection operation. So shifting operation, that is shifting x of t towards left by 4 unit, we will get x of t plus 4. Then by taking reflection of that, we'll get x of minus t plus 4. First we'll perform the shifting operation, that is x of t plus 4. So x of t plus 4 is obtained by shifting x of t towards left by 4 units. That is, say this is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, so now at t equal to 3, we have 0 here. This point will appear, that is 3 minus 4. That is x of t plus 4 is nothing but x of t minus of minus 4. So that is 3 minus 4 is minus 1. This point will appear at minus 1. And 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. So this minus 1 point will appear at minus 3. And here we have 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. So in between this 0 to 3, which exists on right hand side, will appear between minus 4 to minus 1. I'll draw here. Now in between 0 to minus 1, that 0 is appeared here. Now minus 1 minus 4, minus 5 at this point. In between minus 4 to minus 5, we have negative. So this is x of t plus 4 waveform. Now we'll try to draw x of minus t plus 4. So x of minus t plus 4 is obtained by taking reflection of x of t plus 4. Say this is 6. That is from minus 1 to minus 4. This waveform will exist between 1 to 4. And this minus 4 to minus 5, we have ramp like signal which appears here. So this is x of 4 minus t signal. So now we'll multiply this signal and this signal. Will perform the multiplication operation, so that here I can write the resultant signal. And observe that from minus 2 to 0 there is a signal, and here from minus 2 to 0 there is no signal. So it is 0. 0 multiplied with this signal will be 0. That is from minus 2 to 1. Here it is 0. This signal is 0. Now from 0 to 1 there is a ramp like signal. Here from 0 to 1 there is no signal. So from 0 to 1 it will be 0 only. Now here we can observe that in between 1 to 2 there is a ramp signal, and here from 1 to 2 there is a step signal. So when we multiply ramp signal with step signal, we'll get ramp signal between 1 to 2. So from 2 to 3 there is 0, there is no signal. So here 2 to 3 there is a signal. When this signal is multiplied with 0 it will be 0. So this signal will come back to. So this is the resultant signal, that is x of 4 minus t multiplied with y of t. Thank you for watching.